Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn F2L algorithms. Start with slot recognition and slow two-piece inserts, practicing each case until you can execute them without hesitation. Focus on pattern understanding rather than memorizing long move sequences. Record your solves to identify weak cases and refine your finger tricks. Keep sessions short and deliberate and aim for steady progress through consistent daily practice. Start by grouping F2L cases that share similar insertion moves to reduce cognitive load. Drill small groups with focused repetition, then mix them as you gain confidence. Use timed repeats and pair drills to combine speed with clean execution. Track which cases appear most often and target them first during practice. Balancing speed work with deliberate slow practice will make improvements feel steady and sustainable. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more cube tips. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for meal prep because they save time and keep snacks tidy between sessions. They make practice days easier when you want a fast, mess-free lunch. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Choose algorithms that fit your finger tricks and minimize unnecessary rotations or regrips. Practice alternative insertions to see which variant feels fastest for you, and stick with the one that yields consistent results. Keep algorithms simple and efficient, favoring moves that preserve your turning rhythm. When learning a new case, drill slowly to lock in the motion, then increase speed gradually while maintaining accuracy and control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.